XKalpha is the most advanced LED motorcycle light kit on the market, and in this video, we are going to show you how to install it on your bike. This is the advanced kit, so it is made up of 24 lights and 6 XKalpha adapters. The adapters determine the chasing pattern of the bike, so it is important to get them in the correct order when installing. Since we are putting 6 adapters on this bike, I'm going to split the bike into 6 equal sections. This is going to help identify where to put the lights and which adapter they will connect to. Each adapter will control the lights in the section by using the included splitter to connect multiple lights. After deciding the 6 sections, we will temporarily tape up the lights and connect them to the adapters to make sure that we can achieve the best light effect with the placement of the lights. Here is a layout of the lights on this bike, and it is perfectly mirrored on the other side. Although your bike may look different, use this to help figure out the best locations to put the lights on your bike. Once everything is tested, it is time to mount the lights. To do this, take a cloth with alcohol and wipe the surface you are mounting the light to. Now, remove the backing paper from the 3M tape and carefully stick the light to the mounting surface. If possible, we always run zip ties around the strips for added protection and being sure the lights are secured. If the bike has saddlebags, we recommend that you install the strips to the bag support bar so the bags can be removed without having to disconnect the lights. Then we will mount the on-off switch in a convenient location by sticking it to the bike. If you want to connect the optional sensor wires, locate the signal wires for the turn signals and the brakes in the bike's wiring harness. Use the provided T-taps to tap the sensor wires from the controller to those wires. The sensor wire functions will be configured in the XKalpha app, where you can turn all the lights red when applying the brakes and so much more. Be sure to zip tie any loose wiring before putting the bike back together. Connect the switch to the battery, then to the controller, and now the lights are ready to hit the road. Check out the video section in the XKalpha app to learn more about specific features.